What is epithelium? Epithelium is a specialized tissue that covers both the internal and external surfaces of the body. It lines body cavities, hollow organs, and ducts and forms the structural foundation of glands. Key histological features of epithelium. Epithelial tissue has several unique characteristics that define its structure and function. It exhibits cell polarity, meaning that epithelial cells have a distinct orientation. The apical surface faces the external environment or a lumen, while the basal surface is anchored to the basement membrane. It contains tight junctions, which seal adjacent cells together to form a selective barrier that regulates the movement of substances and maintains tissue integrity. Epithelial tissue is avascular but innervated, meaning it lacks blood vessels and relies on diffusion from underlying connective tissue for nutrients and oxygen. However, it is richly innervated, allowing it to detect environmental changes. The basement membrane is a thin extracellular layer that separates the epithelium from underlying connective tissue. It provides structural support, filtration, and plays a role in cell signaling and regeneration. Epithelial cells are held together by specialized cell junctions, which enable adhesion, communication, and structural stability. These include adherens junctions, desmosomes, hemidesmosomes, and gap junctions. What are the types of epithelium? Epithelial tissue is broadly classified into two main types based on the number of cell layers. Simple epithelium. It consists of a single layer of cells, all of which are directly attached to the basement membrane. It is specialized for absorption, secretion, and filtration. Stratified epithelium. It is composed of multiple layers, with only the basal layer attached to the basement membrane. This structure provides greater protection against mechanical stress.